Hello everyone, this is Nitin Mishra. So good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you. So first I would like to say thanks to Team NIFL and Mr. Pradeep sir especially for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. I take this opportunity and want to say something on today's topic. So today I will share my views on impact of technology on human beings. So before starting, I want to say a line of Einstein. Once Einstein said that are we getting more smarter or get more dependent on technology? I fear the day when technology overlaps the humanity. So when I think about his words, I find that his words were absolutely true, and his words are happening in our life as we seen that we are getting more dependent on technology, different gadgets, machinery, etc. So definitely technology is improving our life very much, and everything has a positive and negative effects. So technology also has a positive and some negative effects. So today I will tell you some effects of positive or negative sides of technology, which the impact of technology on human beings. So I will start with some of the pros of technology. So technology like mobile phones, gadgets, computers, laptops, tablets, and machinery, and motor vehicles, etc., and many more things. By these, life is getting easy, and we can exchange infos, we can make fun. These are for entertainment. We can arrange video calls to everyone. We can connect with our relatives which are in different corners of country, and we can talk to anyone. We can arrange physical. We don't need to go in physical meetings. We can arrange meetings on Zoom. So many things we can do by the help of technology. And as we can purchase anything online. We have no need to go to market, so we can purchase anything at our home. And so these are the benefits of technology. And as we see that coronavirus is spreading in our country, and our whole country is temporarily locked down, so all education institutes like coachings, colleges and schools are temporarily closed. So if there were no technology, then how can students can study or teachers can take class? Without technology, these things are not possible. So technology is playing a very important role nowadays. Nowadays, students are taking class on online apps, online platform, and teachers are giving lectures online, and schools have also started the sessions online. So these are things which are only possible with the help of technology. So life is getting easy day by day, and we can go anywhere in country within few minutes or hours by the aeroplane or flights, etc. Technology helps to save the time, because time is very important for human life, and there is no need of more workers in the factory or industries and mills. So we are making more profit. So these things are making our life easy and comfortable. People are going to gyms and they can run on treadmills, and many things. Electricity is the most important thing of technology. Without electricity we can't imagine our life, because electricity is playing a more important role in our life. So these are the things which are positive, which are giving positive effects on human life. So now I come to the negative side of technology. So in negative side, I see, first I take the topic of electricity. So we are consuming more and more electricity, and these are increasing day by day. So electricity is mostly produced by the natural gas, and too much use of natural gas is harmful for the atmosphere. And air conditioners we use of air conditioner is increasing day by day, and gases are released from this, so they are also harmful for our environment. So this is very disgusting when I see that. It means that atmosphere is getting polluted. So I think the next generations may not get the earth as green as it is today. So I am feeling very disgusting, said that atmosphere is affected by this technology. And now the common gadgets like smartphones, tablets, computers, laptops. Children are engaged with these things too much, and they like to play games on mobile phones all day. They don't want to go outside for playing outdoor games with their friends. They don't want to go in parks and grounds. So these things are directly affecting their health. Their eyes are affecting. So they are getting introvert because they don't go to outside for playing, and they don't interact with people outside. So they all time they are engaged with their mobile phones. So these are the things which directly affects on children, which are the future of our country. So we should take care of this. And when we go in any party and or any function, so we our friends, our relatives, we sit together, but we can't we don't talk to each other. We all are engaged with our mobile phones and do something on mobile phones. So these things are happening in life nowadays. So due to the gadgets, people are getting introvert. They are not getting socially interacted. So I find these things wrong. These are the negative sides of technology. And one thing is that nowadays in industries there is no need of more workers. So workers are getting fired from their job. So this is creating unemployment, because totally most of the work is done by the machines. So people are getting fired from their job in the factory. So they are getting unemployed. So this is a very crucial problem for the country. And weapons, I agree with this fact that weapons are useful. They are for safety for us. But in small fights, people are using their guns and etc. So they are taking lives unnecessarily. They are taking lives. So this is a very bad thing from the technology. So these are some things I wanted to say. Technology is good, but also have some bad effects. So thank you very much. I hope you will all like my words. Thank you for watching my video. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you very much.